Hi, I'm Eric Horvitz, a researcher at Microsoft Research. Our team has been looking at how to use machine learning to better reason about how people think and to use inferences we could make about people to enhance their lives. In fact, in this case, we'll show you Lifebrowser, a system that learns to predict memory landmarks, the events of life that you would consider important, and to use those landmarks to help you navigate large stores. In this case, Lifebrowser has 20 years of my activities, including my photos, my search and browsing activity, my work to create content on the desktop, my appointments. And the idea is to actually let you navigate this big timeline of events. But in this case, to give you a volume control to let you see more or less of everything, down to the most important things to help you navigate that timeline, and then to expand it where you want selectively to help you navigate to places you want to go. I can also do a search, for example. In this case, Computer History Museum and AAAI, we were involved in working with that museum. And in the right-hand column here, bring up all the relevant documents on my desktop, and even open up an email, for example, about our interactions there, and also see right away what was going on in my life at the time personally. So Lifebrowser has automatically picked that event to show me as a landmark event. It's composed that set of pictures, and it lets me also browse my work activity associated with that event. Now, the way it works is behind the scenes, there's a machine learned model that reasons about each dimension of information. So, for example, here is a model that was learned from input from me about what makes a landmark meeting. And what's going on in this model is every single appointment, and there are hundreds of meetings from my Exchange calendar, is being scanned by a Bayesian probabilistic model and is being assigned a probability of being a landmark from the user's point of view. So Lifebrowser is a tool that uses machine learning behind the scenes in a way to make it easier to browse large personal stores of information by providing you with the important tick marks of life as guideposts.